Even when a person is being persecuted by a wicked tyrant, he should know that all is coming from Hashem. Somebody is torturing you. Malach HaMirvis is calling you and hounding you and threatening you and telling you that he's going to do this and he's going to do that, and he's doing it to different people in different ways and different messages. Guess what? Hashem signed off on this. Hashem signed off on this. Meaning, you were supposed to get a certain amount of kaparat avonot. You were supposed to get a certain amount of suffering. There's a, let's call it, 100 pounds of suffering that you were supposed to get. You were supposed to get it. Hashem is going to decide how to give it to you. He may give it to you with pain. He may give it to you with malach hamirvis. He may give it to you with something else, no money. He may give it to you with different things. He may like you extra, give you both. But the point is, Rabotai, is Hashem is doing it. It's not him. It's not Mirvis. It's not Ephraim Goldberg. It's not the local rabbis. It's not the competition in business. It's not the ex-friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, nothing. It's not even the dog that bit you. It's a Kadosh Baruch Hu. He's the one. If we understand it already, we could be like David HaMelech. When Shimi ben Gera cursed David HaMelech in front of all of his students. Now imagine, if your wife, or your husband insults you, but it's one-on-one. It's not nice. It's not comforting. You don't really want to talk to them again. But you're eventually going to talk to them because at the end of it all, you're married. But they insult you. It's like, okay, fine, it's over. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour. It's over, finished. Sulcha, we love you, I love you, I'm sorry, finished. But if she came to your job, and you work in one of these companies where on each floor there's, 300, 400, 500 people. Hey, Steve, you so every curse in the book that was ever written from the beginning of the world to the end of the world, curses you never even knew existed. Shimi ben Gera cursed David HaMelech. A klala nimretzet. What's a klala nimretzet? He called them every curse in the book. Noef, mamzer, rasha, tameh. Noef meaning he goes with a womanizer. Mamzer, your parents, by the way, it's not really your parents. Why? Your mom cheated on your father, and you are really somebody else's child. That's mamzer. Rasha, you are a violator of everything in the Torah. Rasha. Tameh, you're an impure person. That alone is terrible. If it's one-on-one, you're probably going to kill the guy. Guess if it's in front of all of your students, Hashem Yirachem, all the people that say, Kadosh, 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 every time you walk. All the people that love you, all the people that admire you, they see somebody giving you every curse in the book. How embarrassing is this? Me? I start taking a shovel and digging. Avod Hashem b'simcha, Avod Hashem b'simcha. We're serving Hashem b'simcha. Why? I'm burying myself. Why? This guy's buried me with all of his curses. I'm burying myself right now. I want to go inside the ground. The guy cursed me like this in front of all my students. Hashem Yachem. What does David HaMelech say? When a soldier comes there and says, Kvod HaMelech, why you let this dog talk to you like this? Let me just take my sword and just chop this dog's head off. David HaMelech says, no. Why? He didn't curse me. Hashem cursed me. He didn't curse me. Hashem cursed me. Meaning, the curses came out of his mouth, but they would have never left the lips if HaKadosh Baruch Hu didn't sign off on it. I mean, if it left his mouth and reached here in front of everybody, Hashem knows for sure, I deserve it. I only have to do cheshbon on why. I only have to do cheshbon on why I deserve it. Not why he did it. Why he did it, HaKadosh Baruch Hu decided. Why he decided to choose him, he has to do cheshbon on that. He has to do cheshbon why Hashem used him to make such a big chilul Hashem. Why he should make such a big sin. He has to do serious problems he has. I have serious problems because I got it. I have to find out why HaKadosh Baruch Hu let this happen. The Gemara says, when HaKadosh Baruch Hu saw this, he says, David HaMelech, now you get the point. Now you get the point, and you deserve to be the fourth pillar of the Merkava. Avraham, Yitzchak, Yaakov, David. Why? You get the point of creation. En od milvado. That's the point of creation. There's nothing else but him. You can be just like David HaMelech. If you simply get to such a level where you realize everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly, is all HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And I can promise you that if you're going to start doing it, Hashem's going to start seeing how serious you are. He's going to give you tests, and more tests, and more tests. And if you pray to Him, you'll pass those tests. Maybe not the first time, maybe not even the second or third time, but you will pass those tests. But you have to aspire to do it. Who doesn't want to walk into Gan Eden feeling like, you know what? I got to the level of David HaMelech. Maybe not in Torah, maybe I'm not Mashiach, maybe not this and that, but in this thing, I know Hashem created the world and He ran everything from day one, including my life. Who doesn't want to show up the Gan Eden like this? You can do it. Why? It's in the Torah. If it's in the Torah, that means you can do it. That means you can do it.
B'Shem Hashem Na'aseh v'Natzliach, we're very excited to offer you the new Be'ezrat Hashem app 3.0. It's a newer, faster app full of Torah, lots of Kedusha by the shiurim that we do, myself, Rav Ephraim, Rav Chaim, where you'll have also newer features where you're able to use the app while you're using other applications on your phone. You'll be able to share the lectures directly from the app. You'll be able to donate online and support our Kiruv and our Torah work that we're doing. And the most exciting feature is that you'll be able to actually ask questions directly on the app and get answers from the rabbis directly from the app. This is something unprecedented, and Baruch Hashem will be able to offer it. Thank you again for all of your support. Check it out. Make sure you have the kosher Torah that will re-energize your neshama each and every single day. Kol tu b'chavatzlacha.